Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor WordPress plugin tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we did a series building these little modules with the great free Elementor page builder, and we built this Lightbox here with the pop out. And I had a question from somebody under one of the videos: how do you make the Lightbox background darker? I'm guessing that they mean this when it's actually popped out, or they may be talking about the section. I'll cover that all. It's going to be a pretty quick video because all of this is very easy. So I've got the page open here. Let's just edit with Elementor. Once it's loaded, let's go down to where we need to go, which is our little Lightbox section here. Here we go. I'll do the section background first, I guess. Let's give it a bit more padding so we can see. I'm just going to go in here to the Advanced tab, uncheck that. I just want to give it some padding top and bottom. I think I had 10 in between. Okay, so we've got our little Lightbox there. If we wanted to change the background here, simply go in Style, Background Type. You can put in a color, or you can put in a gradient, or if you wish you can put in a slideshow. Just pop in a couple of slides right here. Need something that's quite big. I think that's quite big. Let's just put the shop. I'm just hitting Control and I can grab multiples at once. Insert those. Let's say if you want a slideshow. It's going to be 5 seconds or 5,000 milliseconds, and it's going to fade. As you can see, it's doing that in the background there. So that's how to do that. I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to refresh the page. I think, gentlemen, it's actually talking about when in the pop out this background color. Again, this is pretty easy. I can do it right here. So all we need to do, go up to your little hamburger menu right here. Go down to Global Settings. Over here you'll see a little box that says Lightbox. Go in there. And here's the background color. Just change it to whatever color you want. As you can see, that's now blue. So that was hamburger menu, global, a Lightbox. He changed it to blue there. He wanted to make it darker. You've got an opacity setting on this side, so if you've got a sort of, put that all the way up, sort of halfway opaque black. If you pull this slider all the way up, it'll be full black. Let's just check that's going to work. Put that down to all the way down to the corner if you want it black. Let's pop out one of these again. As you can see, that's fully black with no transparency whatsoever. If we go back and we want to make it a little bit transparent, just pull this down a little bit, and as you can see, the background starts bleeding through. So you can change the color there and the opacity right here and get it just how you want it to go. So I'm not going to save my changes here, but I hope that's answered your questions. I'm not going to read your name, it's the and a bunch of letters, but like I say, I hope that's answered your question. Elementor is fantastic. Like I say, it's a free plugin. Just go to your plugins, add plugins, type Elementor into the search, it'll pop up. There is a pro version with more features, and I'll be doing some videos about that at a later date. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.